Storm Rune here, doing another brawl. Looks like Deadly Nadder. I didn't see the other two. It's too fast. Deadly Nadder, Flightmare, and Barf Belch. So, of these ones, the Deadly Nadder is the one I'm going to go after first. I rank him more deadly than the other three. Then it's going to be the Flightmare and then Barf Belch. Not using any special abilities yet. Saving them up. Preferably for Stormcutter's heal. Nice evade there by Sleuther. I am going to use, because I'm reading ahead, and if I don't use this Dagger Skrill's power-up, 2 action bar power up, I will end up losing action bars by maxing out. So, and I don't want that to happen. So Dagger Skrill died. Gave me the extra action bar I needed to fire off a heal. Now when you're about to take someone out, you got to read ahead. In this case, he's safe to take out because he's next in line to attack me. If I don't take him out, he's going to attack me. So the opponents are going to get an action bar regardless of me taking him out. So it's a good idea to take him out. Had he not been next in line, I might have chose not to take him out yet and had Stormcutter do it when it's Stormcutter's turn. Now I'm going to switch gears, go after the Flightmare. Right there you see why I don't mind all the time the double attackers, because there's always a chance that one of those 2 attacks will get evaded, and then it makes that double attack not hurt all that bad. I saved up for the heal, using it here. And now that I'm down to 1 opponent left, I use my 2 action bar attacks to take them out as fast as possible. And that's it.